If you're someone that wants to recycle your kitchen waste into a usable soil amendment for your garden, but don't have the room for a compost pile, then you might be interested in the Karfo Smart Kitchen Waste Composter. I've been using one for the past month on a daily basis, recycling all of my food waste, turning it into an excellent soil amendment as well as a plant fertilizer. Karfo breaks down a wide variety of kitchen scraps right in your kitchen without any odors, and it's quiet. For small batches, it only takes 2.5 hours to complete its cycle and be ready to use. And the average energy cost is about 6 cents per batch. For larger batches that are generally wetter, this takes about 5 hours to complete its cycle. So I turn it on at night and it's ready by morning to use. The average energy cost is about 12 cents per batch. Karfo begins its process by heating, turning, and grinding the food scraps. The lid has a large filter that's really good at eliminating any odors. Kitchen scraps like eggshells, dairy meats, soft fish bones, vegetable scraps will turn into a nutrient-rich soil amendment without tossing it in the trash. Just place your kitchen waste into the nonstick bucket. Line up the notches and push the first button for small batches and the second for full and wetter waste. To clean, you can put the bucket in the dishwasher or push the raindrop for thorough cleaning. It's perfect for small patio gardeners and the gardening enthusiast. The end product is not meant to be planted directly in, but rather added to your garden soil or a portion to garden soil. The process of breaking down food scraps in the recycler encourages the growth of good microbes when added to the garden soil. It supports the microbial ecosystem by providing food and kickstart for the local soil bacteria. These beneficial microbes help break down organic matter, convert nutrients into forms that plants can easily absorb, and contribute to the soil health and structure over time. Although it's not a replacement for traditional compost, which contains fungi and different types of bacteria, but it is an excellent soil amendment and fertilizer. You can add it directly to the garden soil, working in the top couple of inches, or add it to potting soil at the ratio of no more than 20%. Or it can be used as a mulch in thin layers, feeding the plants and protecting the soil. Each batch will be different in nutrient levels, depending on what you ran through the recycler. Meat products or protein, which when added to the garden soil will be converted into nitrogen for your plants. And it's fun and easy to use. My overall feeling about the Karfo composter is that it seems to be built very well. The blades in it are quite thick and strong, and I've ran it through the gamut with a wide variety of different scraps. If you end up with an abundance of finished compost and you're not ready to use it, then just store it in a bucket to keep it dry until you are ready to amend your soil. Once it's broke down, the texture is quite dry and it's spongy. It looks like a really nice compost. It takes up little room on the counter. It could even fit under the kitchen sink if you had a plug under there. It's super easy to use, and with just a press of the button, you're on your way. Nothing new to learn. I can see this being great for apartment dwellers with patio gardens, or even small homesteaders like me who don't want to run out to the compost pile when it's cold during the winter months. So all in all, I am very happy with it and I would recommend it. Let me know what you think about the idea of it, or if you have one, let me know how it works for you. If you want more information about the Karfo Kitchen Waste Recycler, then check out the link in the description below.